This is the Amish star, and it finishes at 12 inches. And I've shown you a picture here of, this is the main star, and these are the instructions I have down here. And then this is the reverse, so you reverse the lights and the darks. The two methods we're going to use are the half square triangles 8 at a time and the no waste flying geese 4 at a time. If you're not familiar with these two techniques, you can see my video tutorial. You can scan this little code with your camera on your phone and it'll take you to the YouTube video. And if you are looking at this on your tablet or desktop or your phone, you can click on this that's highlighted in yellow and it will take you to the same place. Here is the block with all the parts numbered, and then here are the Accuquilt dies you need if you want to use your Accuquilt. All of these dies can be found in the Mix and Match 8-inch finished cube. So for the light fabric, here are the fabric requirements and what we're going to cut, and for the dark fabric. Here are all the pieces cut. Here are the rectangles and the big square in the center, and these are the squares in the corners. And these are for the half square triangles, already marked and ready to stitch, and these 4 small squares and the larger square are for the flying geese, and they're also marked and ready to stitch. Now we have our 8 half square triangles made and our 4 flying geese made, and we're going to start putting the block together. And here's the finished block. Finishes at 12 inches. Thanks for watching.